The most important investment you can make today. Most people think investing is only about money. But the truth is, the most important thing you can invest is your time. Right now, you might be worrying about whether you have enough money to invest. I get it. I've been there. But time is a secret weapon that multiplies your chances of success. The earlier you start, the more your future self will thank you. I've seen it firsthand. When people invest a small amount, if they give it time, it grows into something powerful. And something else happens too. Motivation follows action. Once you put a little money into a real market, you'll naturally want to learn more. You'll want to protect it. You'll grow it. You'll start thinking differently. So, if you're waiting for the right moment, don't. As my mother used to say, don't leave today's work for tomorrow. And I'll add here, don't leave today's investment for tomorrow. Start now. Did you know you can start with as little as $1? In our next video, I'll share one of the biggest mistakes I made earlier on, chasing prices instead of trusting time. Don't miss it. Have a good day.